Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing this special Punjabi Aloo Paratha recipe. This tasted so good, and if you make it this way then your stuffing will never come out of the paratha and it will turn out so tasty. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन र लिंक को प्रेस करंतो. So first, to make the dough, in a bowl take 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta. To that add half teaspoon of salt. Crush and add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Also add 1 teaspoon of oil and give it a mix. Then gradually add water and knead it to form a soft and smooth dough. After a dough is formed, apply 1 teaspoon of oil. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. To prepare the stuffing, in a bowl take 4 to 5 boiled and peeled potatoes. Mash them well using a masher or a fork. Then here I have taken 1 inch of ginger and 2 green chillies. I have crushed them. Add this crushed mixture. Then add 1 chopped onion. You can skip onion if you want. Add salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. 1 teaspoon of Amchoor powder. Crush and add 1 tablespoon of Kasoori Methi and also add few chopped coriander leaves. Give everything a good mix. Our stuffing is ready now. Keep it aside. So our dough is well rested now. So knead it for a minute. Take a small portion and make a smooth dough ball. This should not be too small. Coat it well with the flour and press between fingers to form a bowl-like structure. Then add the stuffing in the center. Press the stuffing with one thumb and take sides upward with other thumb and index finger. This way you will be easily able to close the paratha dough with the stuffing in between. Now pinch and remove the excess dough on top. Lightly roll between palms to smoothen it out. See how smooth it is. After that, sprinkle a little bit of flour and gently press to flatten and spread the stuffing first. Then gently roll it out. It should not be too thick or too thin, so it should be semi-thick like so. Place it on a hot tawa. Now flip and cook from both sides. Also apply ghee and cook the paratha evenly. You can also add butter or oil if you want instead of ghee. So our paratha is well cooked now, it is ready. Serve it hot with aam ka achar and dahi on the side. Also do not forget to add the spoonful of butter on top, which melts so beautifully and tastes so good. This aloo paratha is so amazing, so do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.